Hello everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dylan. I'm here with
Julia
and
Alexis. We're called Heartland Ray together, but those are our individual names. Yeah, we have individual names too.
Sarah.
Sarah is my new best friend. My other new best friend, what's your name?
Amber.
Amber.
Aniela.
Aniela. That's French.
It's Polish. Amber.
Amber, how you doing, Amber?
I'm doing good. How about you?
I'm great. Where are you at right now? Where are we at?
We are at the Fanfix house.
Fanfix, brought to you by Fanfix. Do you, Aniela,
Yeah.
from Florida,
Yeah.
in LA, do you ever tip your Uber drivers?
Every now and then.
Okay.
Not recently though, because I've had to Uber like 3 times a day, so it racks up.
3 times a day?
Because we don't have a car out here.
Oh, so you're Ubering everywhere.
So like I'm spending a lot of money on Uber already. It's just like,
Yeah, that adds up.
Yeah.
You're spending like, it's like $50 a day.
probably more.
I'm a horrible tipper. I tip not that great. Maybe like a $2 tip or something.
Hey, $2? That's not bad.
Of course, I try to tip them well. Yes, because I want to tip them well and to get a good rating.
There you go. How much do you usually tip your drivers?
Like 20%.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good. That's good. What about you? Do you tip your Uber driver?
I tip my Uber driver for sure, and I just make up the amount that I want at the time. If I'm feeling it, they're getting more cha-ching. If I'm not feeling it, I'm like,
What if he's like super hot?
that doesn't matter to me. I don't care. Personality. If he's nice, that's what wins. I'll cha-ching all my money. If he's hot and he's an asshole, bye-bye.
What's the most you've ever tipped your driver?
I mean, most. 10 maybe.
$1. You $10?
Yes, because we were in Madrid and I was with my boyfriend, so if you're seeing this.
Okay, how about this? What do you give a tips for Uber drivers to get more tips?
Oh, actually, be nice in the beginning and then just ignore. Then just don't talk.
Yeah, just don't talk after you're nice in the beginning, yeah.
Okay, so be nice and then don't talk to your passenger.
Be like, oh, hi, how's your day? Just put your seatbelts on so we're safe, blah, blah, blah. Then just silence. Because, like, you don't know how busy someone is or if they're actually, like, having a bad day or they're just angry, someone dumped them or something. So just, what should actually be a feature? You should actually choose if you want a talking driver or a silent driver before you actually do the booking for your cab.
You can do that on Uber Black.
You can?
It's called Uber Quiet Mode.
That's actually so smart.
You gotta pay extra for that.
I don't care.
Do you have any tips for Uber drivers out there?
I just think the Ubers, as long as they got a charger, got the AC going, and they're chill, perfect. That's all you gotta do to be a great Uber driver.
What tips do you have for Uber drivers out there?
You know, say like hello, like, you know, ensure the person is who they are supposed to be getting in the car. Say, oh, okay, welcome into the Uber. I hope you're having a nice day. And then just silence. Yeah.
Just silence. Just shut up and drive,
And then
bro.
and then when they get out, you know, be like,
Song of Rihanna.
Shut up and drive. How can my audience find you guys? Are you guys on social media?
We are at Heartland Ray on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, everything. And then we also have a podcast called Excuse My Friend. So add Excuse My Friend everywhere and all streaming platforms.
Those stories, all the good stories on that podcast. Yeah.
Okay, well, we'll definitely make sure to link your podcast below. Your name is Amber. How can they find you on social media?
They can find me on social media at AMBERR, Amber with 2 R's on Instagram, and Amber Mesner on TikTok. At Sarah_Alfalah on everything, so easy.
Sarah Alpha?
Alfalah.
Alfalar.
at Amber Woods Music on Instagram and at Amber Woods on everything else. So, yeah.
Okay, thank you for joining.
No problem.
Can you rate me 5 stars, please?
Adios. 5 stars.
Okay.
No tip.
All right, thank you.